Good morning, guys. Little bit coffee this morning. I went out for drinks with Maddie last night, Maddie and her boyfriend Alex, because they're in London, because Maddie is filming or recording the audiobook for her book that's coming out in January, which is very exciting. Yeah, so we just went out for some drinks last night to celebrate and also just kind of catch up, because now they live in Cornwall, I bloody never see them. But I am currently running late. I'm currently doing my makeup to get ready to go to my school's annual Christmas dinner. I think this might actually be our 10-year anniversary, this one, which is quite exciting because it shows that we have been friends for a long time. I'm just using this old palette that's my sister's, which is probably not the most good, but whatever. I don't really care. I'd rather use something that we already have than not. Yeah, so I'm really excited because today is it's honestly like my favorite day of the year because we all get together, everyone has such busy lives, and we finally make time on, to have lunch together. We have Christmas lunch, we all bring, and this year is particularly special because everyone is vegetarian, basically. And I used to be, I'm still, I think, the only vegan, but I used to be the only vegetarian/vegan for a good few years. So now it's exciting that we have basically everything's vegetarian now, and I'm bringing lots of vegan things. I'll show you what I'm bringing actually with me. I'm bringing some vegan Prosecco, some vegan Baileys, and some vegan mince pies, which are going to be delicious. But I'm just going to finish doing my eyeliner. If you don't know, I use the Zal makeup one because it's refillable and it's just more sustainable, I think, and I actually really like it. I think it's a French brand, but they also have a UK place as well. But I'm just going to quickly finish this and then I will catch up with you guys and show you exactly what I'm taking to my Christmas school lunch. I'm wearing a skirt that I got from All Saints secondhand from a charity shop. It's only like a tenner, I think. This jumper is secondhand, and then also I am wearing a kind of high neck thing. Sorry, it's not the best to show you guys, but hey friends. Okay, so I'm ready. My hair is still a bit wet, but I'm just letting the curls form and dry, and then I will scrunch them like there is no tomorrow. I'm pretty happy with my kind of curly fringe. I actually cut this myself, just a kind of experiment just to see a little bit more framing, and I'm quite happy with it, I won't lie. Okay, so I wanted to share you some of the things that I am taking to my Christmas lunch. Everything is being provided by my friend, so we just bring a bit of money each time, and she loves to host it and do the cooking, which is obviously amazing. So the things that we're bringing, I decided that this year I really wanted to try the almond Baileys because I love Baileys so much, and I haven't been able to drink it for years because obviously I've been vegan, and this, my friends, is excellent. I'm actually so surprised at how good it is, and it's also huge, so obviously this is gonna last a long time. Well, we'll see how long it lasts when I take it to my friend's house. So I am taking this as just like a extra vegan thing for people to try. I like to do that around Christmas time so that people can sort of see there are some really good vegan alternatives as well. I'm also taking some vegan Prosecco. This was like a tenner, so it's a nice one. Splashing out for the girls' Christmas lunch, which is nice. But yeah, I'm excited to take this. We always take something like this, or mulled wine, or some of them will bring beer and things like that, but I always like to bring something just a little bit nice just to share with people. I actually got this from Riverford because I was feeling really lazy, and they have vegan stuff, they have a vegan tab, they just make it really easy. They also work with a bakery that make vegan organic mince pies. So I bought 12 of those. I think there's only gonna be 9 of us, but I will certainly be eating them. But I like these because they come in just a cardboard box, and they do have one line of plastic here, which is kind of annoying, but everything else, they have no tin foil, everything is paper, so it just makes it a little bit easier to recycle. And also these boxes are actually really perfect for gifting, so I actually reuse these boxes and wrap up other people's presents in them. Okay, it's actually already 12:10, so that means I'm officially late for leaving because I have to be there by 1, and they live in North London. So I'm gonna go off and get the train now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Because they are my school friends, I probably won't show you much of them. I'll show you the food and stuff, but I don't know, I just like to keep their privacy just in case they're not as comfortable, obviously, being on camera, but some of them certainly will be, so I will, I'll share what I can. And then afterwards, one of my friends is actually, this is the second one of my friends to do this. She's just done the comedy school in Bethnal Green, so we're gonna go and watch her do her performance there, which is gonna be, if any of you guys have watched amateur comedy before, you'll feel what I'm feeling right now. I have no doubt that she's gonna be amazing, but I don't know, amateur comedy can be fun or it can be painful, so I will definitely be taking you guys with me to that, and I will film some of that while I'm there as well, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it. And then I'll come back and I'll edit this so it can be up today, so that we've only missed one day of Vlogmas. But yesterday I didn't do very many interesting things, and also yesterday I was seeing a lot of like friends' babies and things like that, and obviously I'm never going to film that and put that online because that's so inappropriate. So anyway, I am dilly-dallying. I'm going to put my stuff in my bag, I'm going to get my stuff together, and then I am going to get out of here. Oh, and I'll also show you what I am wearing today. Give you a better view of what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing these boots, these rain boots, and then I'm wearing my my winter jacket, this second-hand skirt from All Saints, second-hand jumper, second-hand top, and then this bum bag from Matt and Nat, which I bought 2 years ago now, I think, or no, maybe a year. No, I bought it this year, I think, for Glastonbury because I wanted to be a little bit cooler. So yeah, and then I'm just going to be taking my grin bag, and I'm going to put all of this stuff in there. I'm always late, I feel bad. I am heading to the station now. I hate being late.